How to manage your YouTube TV account. Managing your YouTube TV account ensures you can update settings, control subscriptions, and customize your viewing experience. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to effectively manage your accounts. Number 1. Access account settings. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Number 2. Update billing information. Go to the billing section in Settings. Click Update next to Payment Method to modify your payment details. Number 3. Manage membership. In the Membership section, view your subscription plan details. To cancel or pause your membership, select the appropriate option and follow the prompts. Number 4. Create a family group. Navigate to Settings and select Family Sharing. Click Manage and invite up to 5 family members to share your subscription. Number 5. Customize viewing preferences. Use the library to organize your recorded shows and movies. Adjust the live guide to personalize your channel listings. Number 6. Manage location settings. In Settings, select Area to update your home area or playback area for correct local channel access. Number 7. Review watch and search history. Access settings and choose privacy. Manage your watch and search history, including pausing or clearing them.